Yami mumpenifo. Joseph Yami tie. Yamin. Hwede odi ya Betty Modrusu. Ateni odidi no. Hwede ma odi ya Sammy Sapon. Emro deputy regional minister. Yami kro ye emro wo fonka no. Ose enam se meti Ashanti region ti no. Mekra no obi ase won hweme. Won hwa Ashanti region. That was what he said. And they are co-founding naba. Hwe Yami ni kwakubu ahemu ntem. Eno nso so eda ho. So okofa obi ti Sammy Gyamfi a makasa since 2006. Ya miyama je se mekasa MPP. Obie no aba mesombo se me no ye de me court and I say in communication if you are not responsible, you are not conscious of libel and slander. Now you jimi for sebi. Hwe den an say ye oni matuopoku prempe akraketo ani ekọ ni aje 500,000. Ni aje the wife no akopachew anything that at best Sammy Gyamfi can talk but he cannot communicate. There's a clear distinction between communication and now they are not to interminia. Sammy Gyamfi ni wa ni adedinya. Were they not part of 2020 election?
Yes.
Until there is nothing new under the sun. Fire at one. So we are nyina asemo a yakese ba ko no say and na mo say Ashanti region mo pe. And of course, I appreciate their strategy. Because in communication and in politics, say nipa ne poasem kra no benwa, ultimate as massive. So every now and then they are here. Dear yes, yeah, voter region. Nancy amenu kwajo upon kruma koya me koya communication. Actually, we how to create apathy in your opposition stronghold. Dr. Lecture every now and then he wants me to come there. Dear yes, you are adopted. We are not doing anything. Ebiana is too early. If you are current executive, they do something about that. But the point is, Sabe, Muntimi Nania Santemai, Obri Pantampram, Eni Yanam, Emtrian Sadia, Eni Sadia, and Triana Montini. Share National Executive from Koyi, none of them is an Ashanti. And now, Rami, tell I'm a picky free and DC for one say. Send a bay on mobile about Joe, our Ashanti region. Either Sakwabnado for, and Aquajobusu. Mamma Mobile is still in Chiro. I see a Dunketia, or Yabunini. Audu Sofu Azoka, with the northern regions, Rimni. Dr. Sherry Agite, Greater Accra, or Yankrani, Fifi Kwete, or voter region, one of Togo, Yaba Hen or Betrao, no now. Joseph Yami, one no Wanyanoma, or no Yakubu, a hand was Yabonata, or Yasini. Sammy Gyamfi, baby. Jobus and by Tonyan and this a commercial area, our tech, what you might have done a good year. You're fine on 20. What you say? George Parado, he's the only of the Eastern region, he's the only person. Dr. Anabisi, mistakenly, a man for free say, turn on off one where Ashanti region, a half. Touchment Yanumia, that and Asante, a half. Oh, the other 2 years, a year, Mama Mohammed, one also so no, what saying, well, Zongo Cocos, one also so no, one Yasantini. And of course, MPP, we are the space setters. Or May independence, Yan Yankee history, we in the man Kromabede. Yan Yade, or they say, Yade, oh. Zongo a year we Democrat friends. Nasara any de buy. And last a year for Marco TV says Zongo caucus. And then somebody and Waba. So meaning so copy free. Minia Bible can send be our Matthew Triduncia, Chichemu Edununciano. Or say Nasoni Penya we are singing and watching in the cra and Fasoben Ubinya. Consistently. I see a Dunkatia campaign, a war yen and so on near day, what the young cocoa bay will say, and pass to Saturday no, and I do not met now with your Muslim Yasia poor biao, near day and near their day. Emma to the sense of Castle for some for the Christian here Christian. And to our election, no crown is against Christianity, it's against peace. One must say for some for the near Mre, ya poor biao near Bassa, and near their day. Sabia so Kumukrom in and just one year. Obo okromo hini tua asma make no kokko sasika chire boni chirifo a odi hwasa kwahene ekwe ofaso uye enti so obi bodi kromo hini tua enchese wono nani eden batakari asie dun kati akohye ya 2008 ampanimfo tenase e ma akoye na beti ne ho tisa abo ya apan ya ye hunu no meni asa you should be very careful. I can tell you some dynamics necessary. So they are no atu nchen ya de omo kan nyina no na mama nso asema odi hyemu ne se One the violence beget violence. But at the back also, a woman be same to do me and say, "Chemodi back say."
That be the last point.
Was it bonity no one year for? Now I train for the or the papa to your uncle. Or my general, yeah, dear, as they are laying claim our violence, no. In political communication, you'll be a friend is your friend issue ownership. Issue ownership, when they say you try all the or the saying all the sectors now. Obia one when it comes to economy, MPP are more than no. And the Kufuor said it, and we are justifying it. Eba a year energy. Ya buy and fear air ya na sumu, your mama yeda sumu. Security, all the issue ownership, we lay claim of. Almost the violence, no, almost emfa. However, Adiabakwa Mekan say a Siadun Ketia or a grassroots person. You can't take it out from him.
Yeah.
Or a grassroots person. Joseph Yami, Nisa Hununi, or a grassroots person. At least these two key people, no dear. We can point it out. And today's politics is not so much about what you've done. It's about how well you relate with the grassroots and how well you get connected with the academia, with the media, with the civil society group, with the traders association, with the farmers. So when to me and draw organogram to become so well connected, then I'm afraid. And one trans and national executive, they should start recruiting people from all angles.